Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case for my OnePlus 10 Pro. Now, I already did a review of the matte black version of this case, which you can follow the card up above, but I thought it would be important to show the clear case just in case you are trying to figure out which one you might prefer. Now, this one's the same price at $13.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping, so if you want to buy this case after watching this video, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. So as far as the unboxing goes, the case is just like all the normal Spigen cases, right? So you have the logo here, a picture of the 10 Pro and the clear case, and obviously it says 10 Pro Ultra Hybrid. It does remind you that there's an A and B film, which we will take off in this video, and it is crystal clear. So let's get this bad boy out. So pull the tab up and that will allow you to pull it out. And obviously these cases always come in this kind of plastic wrap. So we will just slide that out and that reveals the very clear case. So let's go ahead and peel off the film inside. Okay, so there's the first one. So before I do the second one, let's go ahead and put the phone in. So I'm going to just pop that in and then let's peel this one off. And voila, there it is. A very clear case for the 10 Pro. So there we have it. Very good looking case. Let's get a little bit of a closer look at it here. So as you can see, the back is very crystal clear. You can see that sheen of that volcanic black very nicely, the OnePlus logo there. And then of course, for whatever reason, the T-Mobile, I don't know if the unlock ones do, but my IMEI number's at the bottom, which I thought was very odd. But there we have it. The top, as you can see, kind of has more of that frosted up here. So it's not crystal clear like this, but it does go into a frosted kind of color, almost matching the side just a tad bit. But that's the look there. And you can actually see that Hasselblad branding there as well. Now with the camera lips, it's definitely a lip that does go around. So it looks pretty good there. Not too shabby. Definitely going to get some good lens protection out of it. And then, like I said, crystal clear back. Now let's look at the sides here. So as far as the sides go, clear as well. You do have, let's see, a little bit of something right here. I don't know, it looks like a model number or something. But the power button is raised and clear, as you can see. And then a nice generous cutout for the alert slider there. And then going to the bottom here, you can see the Type-C port cutout, mic, and speakers. And it's so clear you can actually see the SIM card tray there. And then going to the side here, it is crystal clear once again. We do have some very minimal Spigen branding, and then our volume up and down buttons are raised and clear as well. And then going to the top, you can see that it says air cushion technology, which that is the technology in the corners, which are going to act like little airbags that will help dissipate the energy away from the phone in the event of a drop. And we do have a single circular cutout there for the mic up top. Now looking at it from the front, we do have some clear lips that are raised on the forehead and chin, and also on the sides. There is a little bit of a curve to this display, but you are definitely going to be getting some screen protection for sure with this case. And then looking at the top here, that's the big cutout there, excuse me, for the speaker up top. So there's the look of the front, so clear borders all around. And then, yeah, so now let's go ahead and test out the shakiness. So let's do the wobble back test first. So let's see if the back is wobbly. A little bit. If you hit that corner, that's where it starts to shake, which is understandable with this big giant camera bump. And then let's go ahead and do face down and see how it performs. Kind of the same thing, a little bit of a wobble when you hit the corners, but not terrible. So now let's go ahead and see how clicky these buttons are. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. All right, very clicky buttons, guys. So far, every Spigen case I've tested for this phone, they have extremely clicky buttons, so no issues at all there. And then last but not least, or I say last but not least, let's do the alert slider. Let's see how easy it is. Very easy, no issues at all. And last but not least, the Qi wireless charging test. All right, so recognizes that it is on my charger, so no interference at all with the charging test or the capabilities of wirelessly charging it or doing Google Pay or something like that. So with my overall impressions of the case, guys, is if you are looking for a clear case, this is probably one of the best clear cases you'll be able to buy for this phone. Spigen makes fantastic cases. It's very gummy. It feels very good in the hands. Definitely a winner in my book. I've always been a huge fan of Spigen Ultra Hybrid cases, just like I said in the matte black review. Now this clear is gonna definitely be fingerprint resistant, but when it comes to smudges and things like that, it's definitely not going to be, as you can see a little bit there. So if you're like me, maybe just use a towel or something or your shirt, wipe it down, and you're good to go. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. See you on the next one.